Okay, we are going to discuss theorem 15. Let f be bounded and let f and mod f be Riemann integrable on minus infinity, the open interval minus infinity plus infinity. Then prove that f is integrable and integrable minus infinity to plus infinity f dx equal to Riemann integral minus infinity to plus infinity f dx. Then what is f be Riemann integrable on minus infinity to plus infinity? F is Riemann integrable on minus infinity to plus infinity. That means limit a tends to minus infinity and b tends to plus infinity. Integral a to b f dx exists. Then we say that f is Riemann integrable on minus infinity plus infinity. And this value is written as Riemann, that is on integral minus infinity to plus infinity f dx. Okay. Here given that f is bounded and f and mod of b Riemann integrable on minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. Then for each a and b, mod f is Riemann integrable on ab, that means integral a to b mod f dx. This can be written as Riemann integral a to b mod f dx by previous theorem, theorem 13. If is integrable, if is Riemann integrable, then it is Lebesgue integrable. And also given that mod of is integrable, then integral a to b mod of dx is equal to Riemann integral a to b mod of dx. Okay. And this value is less than or equal to Riemann. Our limit is extend or lower limit to minus infinity and upper limit to plus infinity. So this value is less than or equal to Riemann minus infinity to plus infinity mod of dx for every or each a and b. This is the integral is up to a to b, and where he extended, left is extended up to minus infinity and right is extended to plus infinity. So this value Riemann a to b is less than or equal to Riemann minus infinity to plus infinity. This is true for every a and b. Therefore, we take the left hand side is taken as minus infinity to plus infinity mod of dx is less than or equal to that. Our first result is true for a and b, true for every a and b. Therefore, it is true for a for minus infinity and b for plus infinity. So, integral minus infinity to plus infinity mod of dx is less than or equal to Riemann integral minus infinity to plus infinity mod of dx. And is given that mod of is Riemann integrable on minus infinity to plus infinity. So right hand side is exist, which is that our left hand side is less than or equal to the right hand side, and the right hand side is exist. So left hand side is also exist. Therefore, mod f is integrable or over minus infinity plus infinity. Okay. Mod f is integrable over minus infinity to plus infinity. Since mod f is integrable, by theorem says that f is integrable on minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. And therefore, integral minus infinity to plus infinity f dx. This is exist, and this can be written as limit a tends to minus infinity, b tends to plus infinity, integral a to b f dx, and this is equal to limit a tends to minus infinity, b tends to plus infinity. Riemann, this is equal to Riemann integral a to b f dx, okay, and this is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity f dx with Riemann, hence the result, okay.